So today we are going to do our standard NC10A9, adding and subtracting with fluency within 10. And I will be using our brick math kit to do this. So first we're going to start with adding. And adding is an action of combining two numbers. I will show my mother how to build 4 with our brick math set. Each stud represents one number. So this is a 4 length block, so 1 by 4. I'm going to put this on my board as such. And then I'm going to use my 2 studded blocks, 1 by 2s, and combine them to make the number 4. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is too much. And then I will build my 4 by using 4 1 by 1 blocks. And you know when they sold it now, they sold it to. So we have 4 different ways. This is 1 by 4. This is 2 1 by 2. This is 4 1 by 1s.
There's 3 different ways.
3 different ways, yeah.
Okay, I thought you said 4.
And you see how they're similar?
They're all the same length.
Yeah. And then they all
have the same number of dots on top.
Studs.
Studs. They all have the same number of studs on top.
Yes. Okay. So this is 4, right?
Yes.
And then we're going to draw a set. So what a set is a collection of distinct, well-defined objects forming a group. So this will be set 1. So when we draw a set by 4 1 by 1s, we're going to draw 4 boxes that are touching each other. Because this is how we represent 4, right?
Okay.
And then we're going to draw a stud on top of each one. So the first add-in is done.
Okay.
And your add-ins are numbers that are being added together. So there's no like top number or bottom number. They can all really kind of be in different orders and still make the same number, like the same result. But it's important to pay attention to how the problem is written, because the first set would be the first number, and the second set is going to be the second number.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're going to do 5 now. And we'll make 5 with 2 1 by 2 blocks and 1 1 by 1 block. And obviously there's other ways to make it. You can make it with 1 1 by 3 blocks, or 1 1 by 3 block and 1 1 by 2 block. So you can make this number a number of ways too.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 4 plus 5. And 4 plus 5 is
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
9. Good. So we're going to represent our sum, our end result of combining 2 numbers with 1 1 by 6 block and 1 1 by 3 block. So we'll have the answer as 9. And set 3 is our sum, and it's the result of combining these 2 numbers, which is 9, right?
Right.
And so we used 1 1 by 6 block and 1 1 by 3 block. Really? 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or set 2 and set 3. All right, and then we start with R. So subtraction is to move from the whole to a smaller digit. So R minute is the largest number in our equation. And our minute in problem 3 is
What word did you say?
minute.
Minute?
Minute.
I don't know that word.
So minute will be 7 in this problem. And we will create 7 by using, so we'll use this to make 6, right? And then we need one more number, one more stud, and we'll use a 1 by 1 block. So now we have the number 7. Our set 1 of that will be made on here. Set 1. And set 1 is the collection of distinct, well-defined objects forming a group. So we will be using 2 lines, like such. And then we'll put 1, 2, 3 studs in the top, and 1, 2, 3 studs in the bottom. And then we'll use 1 stud. So that will equal 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that is our 7. And then we'll take our 7 and we'll subtract it by 3. So our subtraction, our number 3 is our subtahend, which is the smaller of the 2 numbers in a subtraction problem. So we'll be using our 1 by 3 block, right? Because that's the one that makes the most sense. And we'll use that to represent our 3. So our set 2 will be on top, and it will break it into 2. You see how that is set 2?
Okay.
Because it's broken into that.
Okay.
And then we'll just. So I'm shading it too to represent how much we have left. So I need you to see that. So our difference is how many are left after the subtraction problem. Mama, how many are left in this problem?
So we took away the white. That's what we subtracted?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Very good.